My friend decided to play Cats, Bats, and Hats on 10-cent denomination and accidentally hit the max bet button. Did a $50 spin and, of course, hit the bonus. Decided to do the Bat Splat bonus. I love the Bat Splat bonus. You get these little bats, and it's 50, 50, and 100, so $200 to start. You get 3 spins each turn, unless you had a 4-trigger bonus, then you would get 4. And you need these little houses to connect to these other bats, and then each bat will go up by your original bet, which in this case was $50. So there's 2 more houses. Sorry for the shaky camera, really wasn't expecting to film this. I only put $90 in the machine to begin with. Now there's this bat hanging out in the corner. He's not connected, so he doesn't count to reset the spins. And he also won't count for a $50 upgrade unless we get one either below or to the right of him. Another one. Love that sound. Need more. More. Last spin, last chance. Nope. Well, let's see how lucky my friend was. And he got a freaking hand day. Of course he did. So that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell notification button so you'll be notified when I put up more videos. Now get out there and go wild.